multilateral agreements. Really, you're very lucky. Okay, fine, go ahead. Right, so now what we're going to do is you're going to stand up, right? And then choose whether you want left, start with the left or right, whichever one you want, shake hands. First, we're going to take a picture showing that. Right, so picture taken. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is exchange and shake hands. Right, yes. On that side, right? And then you do it with this side now. Right, thank you. Do you want to say something? No. Do you? Okay, fine, okay. Can we count 4 sentences? Yeah, no, 4 sentences. You can make them as long as you want, okay? No full stop.
I'll try to be brief, but I'm not sure if I can keep to 4 sentences. I'd just like to say that for me, this is representative of a major step for Uhuru Labs in partnership with Hujon Solutions and Yukon Solutions. I am very, very looking forward to a mutual beneficial relationship that lasts for a long time to come and helps not only my company, but also my country develop. Thank you.
Photographers, make sure that you get the banner in the back, but don't get the people holding it. Just the banner and the words there. Okay, so we do the same. You stand, you show, take a picture, yes. Right, that's nice. A clap for that, please. Now choose left, right, exchange. Shake hands. You need to shake hands, right? Okay. Yeah, and then that side. Thank you. Now you are allowed to say something. They not yet. If you have because you're bigger than Freddie, 5 sentences.
Thank you very much for the opportunity and for your time to be here. It's a great special pleasure for us to sign this agreement, not only for our entities and enterprises, but for the continent of Africa. The objective by signing this is to bring these guys, their technology, their knowledge to the continent and to stay in the continent for the sustainability approach that we want to develop in itself. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
아마 지금 여기 순번대로 컴퓨터가 되어 있는 부분이어가지고 아마 불러드린다고 하긴 하는데 거기 지금 정신없어요.
Nice landing.
It's one of the fastest growing continent in terms of its economic growth, as well as its dynamic population, one of the youngest population in the world. The young population provides a very tech-savvy and very technologically oriented group of people. We have traveled in Africa quite a bit, and we realize how there is an unmet demand, but all prepared to absorb a high degree of technology. So our role is to partner with our strategic partnership in Africa.
C'est moi qui quitte le quartier. J'ai maillé déjà. J'ai bataillé, fait des dégâts. Je n'entends pas toutes ces hyènes. Je suis pas un plat de thieboudienne. Même moi je pourrais rougir de haine. L'esclave n'a pas de remise de peine. Ceux qui ne veulent pas faire de business, je vous en prie descendez là. Le cours de tâche n'est qu'être en baisse. Serre-moi un shot de Mandela. Africa, tu n'as pas d'âge. Ils veulent te mailler. Ton nom de famille sera prise d'otage. À quoi sert d'être lion en cage? Envoie le H, les millions cash. Pour mailler. Madame la juge est lente de rage. J'ai mitraillé comme un sauvage. Lion de la terre en Gaïa R, j'ai fait ce qu'il fallait. Sénégal, DKR, génération boule, fallait. Il aimait l'Afrique, mais la moula l'a poussé à tailler. Passe-moi les massas, mama, cosa, elle fait l'homme, mara, salvatrucha. Négro n'a pas vraiment de choix. Le boulet plat, tu ne fais pas vraiment de soi.
Slowly and second time. Not before, or else you won't engage the engine. Can you tell him that? Can you tell him to wait until the engine goes?
Ok, soulève ça correctement s'il te plaît. Vers derrière, ok. Tu es prêt? Oui, je suis prêt. Auto-décor, tu vas me dire si la clé a bougé. Ok. Auto-décor. Oui, auto-décor. Prêt? Oui, je suis prêt. Vas-y. C'est bon. Atterrissage.
사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면 됐다 널 사랑했다 우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼지고 마지막 페이지를 넘기면 조용히 괜찮지만은 않아 이별을 마주한다는 건 오늘이었던 우리의 어제 또는 내일이 없다는 건 아프긴 해도 더 끝없음 상처가 더 나니까
Taking a video.
Okay, enough.